Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open the lift gate. Here are your lift gate struts. There's one on each side. We're going to take these out. We're going to use a 90-degree pick. Sometimes these leak and they'll get weak and won't hold the lift gate up. What you're going to want to do before we take these off, you're going to want to have someone hold the lift gate so it doesn't fall on you while we take them out. Now we'll take our 90-degree pick. We're going to get in here, just pry this little retainer out, and that'll pop it off the socket. And then we're going to do the same with up here. Take your 90-degree pick, get in behind here, pry it out, just like that. Sometimes you'll notice some oil leaking from this area. That's a good indication they're worn or they're ready to be replaced. To reinstall, make sure these clips are all the way down. We're just gonna press it on like that. And then this side, if it doesn't line up, you can push up on the lift gate a little bit more to get it to line up and push it down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.